Hello everyone, Mac and Hannah here, and we are living our dream life because today we are headed to Bonn. It is the dream park here in Vidanta, and we get a sneak peek of it. We're gonna show you around, and I'm pretty sure we get to take the gondola.
I didn't know it was called that. I thought it was called VidantaWorld. We'll find out.
Yeah, find out. Okay, so we visited 2 years ago, and this thing was still under construction, so we're super excited to check out VidantaWorld now.
I can see the little castle peaks. It looks literally like the castle emoji.
Okay, first thing to know, you may not take drinks and food on the gondola, so Hannah's got to drink up. Park is open 5 to 9, even though the gondola runs much longer. And for those that are not familiar with VidantaWorld, so Grand Mayan is over here. We're at 2, and we're gonna take the gondola all the way over to the park. Oh, and how cool is that? You can look under you.
Underwear.
This is so beautiful. Okay, a gondola ride is just worth it in itself. So, second stop on the gondola is the park, and you get dropped off at the golf course, basically, and
it feels jungly though. It doesn't feel like an industrial theme park.
Okay, where do we go? The Crater, Jungle Valley? Yeah, let's do that. Yep, definitely this way. How pretty is that? Loving the vibe so far. Music's getting me moving. What? And there's a castle overlooking this introductory lake. This place is insane. I'm living in a dream. Not just dream life, just a dream. I just can't stop smiling. This is really cool.
Everything is so epic with the soundtrack.
Yes.
It's like a whole curated, like how Disney takes care of every detail. They have also nailed the soundtrack. So far we cannot stop dancing. It's amazing.
All right, music changed, but it's still vibing. Oh, and guys, this is during the day. We're gonna see it during the night when all this is lit up. It's gonna be so cool.
Yeah, it's harsh lighting. Wait until it's golden hour.
Hold tight.
We made it! Wow! Well done, Mexico. Well done.
Oh, that makes me nervous. All right, I'm not normally a rides person, but when in Rome. That's what we're doing, the Floreta Drop. This is so funny.
Okay, as the bag lady, I'm delighted to know they have thought of everything, and there are cubbies.
We can't bring it with us. Bye-bye.
We're driving on a country road and you go over a tickle bump.
Tickle bump. You know those little hills and you just... Yep, you get it. It was really fun. And the view is so good. And a beautiful boardwalk. You don't even need your shoes. And there's an amazing outdoor eatery spot. Hell yeah. Before we get to the Ferris Wheel.
so this is like Saloon in Riviera Maya. I was hoping for like a cool restaurant area like this. So nice.
All right, the restaurants here still cost money, so you got to bring your card with you. But
sign is they're like selling slushies, much like Disney, for like
it's like a summer carnival.
$15-20 for a slushie.
Welcome to the State Fair. Meets luxury. They have IPAs on sale and really good beer options. Wow. Okay. And we come upon another adorable seating area.
Capture cabins, the swinging ones and the stationary ones.
Shout out to Diego for filming that for me. Gracias.
Enjoy.
We got the swinging. We got the swinging.
Woo! It's like the tickle tummies again. Woo! What a thrill. Woo! Oh!
I just did a Joey tickle.
Uh-huh! See how you are now? I think the Ferris Wheel just became your new favorite ride.
Can that happen? Okay, that was super fun, especially with the ride, or with the swinging part. You don't even know you stop ever.
Okay, first of all, the aromas right now are incredible. It smells so good, like amazing food and like fresh air, and now here we are. Oh, the bougie sense of Vidanta. One of those places that smells good immediately. They've got AC. This is so refreshing. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. In a theme park. Totally dry floors, so spacious, high quality materials, like I could go on and on. Oh my gosh. Bravo.
Alright guys, we're back on the Ferris wheel at sunset, and we took the non-swinging option and we disapprove.
Do not recommend.
Do not recommend.
There is like AC happening, which would be nice if it's super hot, but it's all enclosed and I'm freezing and you can't really see as clearly.
Yeah, it's not the greatest window, so take the swinging and you'll get some clearer views. Leave it on the edge and have a little fun. Okay, the views are still pretty incredible. Alright guys, that is your sneak peek of VidantaWorld here in Nuevo Vallarta. It's only 25% done. They said it should be 80 to 90% done in about 6 months, you know, but who knows their timelines. But hoping it's done soon. If you guys want to book here, let us know. We got the hookup, and seriously, Nuevo Vallarta is super cool. So many things here. Wow, and as we exit, we pass Blue Cove Sea to Table restaurant. Not open yet, but dang, when that opens, looks wonderful. And make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more Nuevo Vallarta Vidanta videos. my goodness, even the exit is a show.